Hi, I'm John and I manage the flood control maintenance section at the Water Agency. One of the primary purposes for establishment of the Water Agency in 1949 was to build infrastructure to protect a developing Sonoma County from devastating flood events. Today we manage an innovative stream maintenance program. The main element of the program includes the maintenance of approximately 75 miles of engineered flood control channels. These channels are part of a critical community flood control network, many of which were constructed as part of a federal partnership with the Soil Conservation Service beginning in the late 1950s. Today, the Water Agency continues its strong commitment to flood protection and maintaining these facilities. The primary activities of the stream maintenance program are sediment removal, vegetation management, and bank stabilization. The core purpose of the program is to maintain the channels for flood control conveyance capacity, as well as to enhance water quality, wildlife habitat, and recreation.
Hi, my name is Candace Messner. I work to help ensure that the Water Agency's stream maintenance program meets its permit requirements, as well as all associated environmental protections. In the mid-1990s, 3 salmonid species were listed as threatened and endangered, and the Water Agency was no longer able to continue its historic maintenance practices. In addition, many Water Agency flood control facilities were identified as supporting habitat for native wildlife, fish, and bird species. To address these environmental concerns, in 2005, the Water Agency began a process to obtain long-term permits for maintenance of its flood control facilities. Through this process, and under the guidance of 6 state and federal regulating agencies, the Water Agency established the Stream Maintenance Program.
Hi, my name is Chase. I provide technical support to our Field Operations Department and Stream Maintenance Program. I manage the SMP database, assist in reporting and notification process, conduct sediment and water quality testing, create designs for sediment removal projects, and coordinate with other Water Agency departments and contractors on flood control related projects.
Hi, my name is Kevin Trenum. It is my job to organize and distribute the daily activities of our maintenance crews, as well as assess the quality and efficiency of each project. Every year, our vegetation maintenance crews work through over 30 miles of flood control channel and remove approximately 4,000 cubic yards of wood chips, which is about 384 dump trucks of material. By selectively removing vegetation, we are able to maintain the health of our trees as well as the flow and capacity of our flood control facilities. There are many challenges that we encounter while maintaining our flood control channels. For example, we remove over 50,000 pounds of garbage each year. Another demanding task is removing debris jams and other flood control issues in the middle of winter. It is a constant battle to maintain the beauty and health of our creeks and streams.
My name's Gary.
My name's Pete.
We work in field operations. Our duties include heavy equipment operations, maintenance of service roads, bank repairs, fencing, Russian River estuary breaching, and sediment removal project.
Sediment removal is the removal of silt deposits in our creeks, streams, and engineered channels. We maintain about 75 miles throughout the county. This prevents flooding during the winter months.
Our sediment removal work takes place June 15th through October. Our average amount we remove in a year is approximately 22,500 cubic yards. That equals to 2,250 dump truck loads.
My name is Catherine, and my role on the stream maintenance team includes restoration efforts following sediment removal projects as well as vegetation management work. Starting in 2009, planting restoration efforts have become a top priority for the Water Agency's stream maintenance program. Mitigation activities include reestablishing habitats impacted by construction activities. We're standing today on Forest View Creek. This creek was removed of sediment in 2015 and trees were replaced. As you can see, many of the trees are healthy and maturing quite rapidly, and we are slowly gaining on a shaded creek bed.